Hi, I'm Tom with the product team at Faronics. Welcome to today's video on how to manage Windows updates via Faronics Cloud Deep Freeze. Windows updates can be handled in two ways through the Deep Freeze Cloud console. Firstly, for PCs that have Deep Freeze installed, Deep Freeze being our reboot to restore solution, and secondly for PCs that don't have Deep Freeze installed. So let's start with the PCs that do have Deep Freeze. So if I click on the policy that is associated with those workstations and under Deep Freeze go to the Windows Updates tab. So first I need to tick this box and then I need to choose whether I'm going to retrieve my Windows updates from the Microsoft Windows Update website or a WSUS server. If I select via the internet, I can choose security and critical, security critical and feature, or all updates. We recommend security and critical features if the workstations are in an unmanaged environment. However, you can select all updates or the security and critical with feature updates. So once you've set that, you can then go to the Workstations Tasks tab and add a Windows Update task. So set the frequency and time when you'd like the workstations to do their maintenance. This should be in a non-production time as the PCs would reboot. For task frequency, we recommend once a week. And it's good to set a start time and an end time. So 2 AM would be a good time. And I'll set it to end at 3 AM. You can optionally disable the keyboard and mouse if you like. And there's a few other options around what you're going to present to a user who happens to be working on a machine when the maintenance period is scheduled. So once that's set, then save the policy and it's normally a good idea to wake up the machine before the task, or you can set a separate Wake on LAN task from the Deep Freeze On Demand Manage Schedules page. So I can add a schedule here to Wake on LAN right before the maintenance period that I've just scheduled. So once that's done, save the policy and the workstations will undergo maintenance at the defined schedule. Now moving on to PCs without Deep Freeze. Looking at this policy, Deep Freeze is not enabled, so we will deliver Windows updates through the software updater part of the policy. So if I enable this module and then go to the Windows Updates tab, and here select the categories of updates that you'd like to automatically install during the maintenance period, and also the categories of updates that you'd like to have some control over. So having selected that, it's just a case of scheduling a maintenance period. So if I enable maintenance period, and again it needs to be in non-production hours, so if I say Wednesday between midnight and 1 AM. So once I've done that, I just need to save the policy and my workstations will undergo maintenance at the defined schedule. As far as approving and managing Windows updates, that can be done from the Windows Updates option here on the top toolbar. And I can see here, okay, so I've got 4 critical updates pending approval and 7 security updates pending approval and so on. So I can just click on here, I can see the patches and I can just either approve or approval or deny. I'm just going to approval here. So that's an introduction on how to manage Windows updates using Faronics Cloud Deep Freeze. If you'd like a lot more information about how to get the best out of Faronics Cloud Deep Freeze, including everything to do with Windows updates and everything else, there's a lot more functionality that can really save you time. We offer an online certification program. If you have a look at faronicslearning.com, you'll be able to take modules in your own time and learn about Windows updates as you go. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.